Hey guys, Nick Espinoza, your Chief Security Fanatic here, and today I have a question for you. And this question is, can artificial intelligence be a fair judge in court? Now, we're about to find this out, and this news actually comes from Estonia, which is actually very interesting because Estonia has been doing a lot of things with technology and research lately that are very fascinating. I think for most of the world, it's actually flying under the radar. But here's basically what's going on. Estonia's Ministry of Justice has asked Ott Velsberg, now Velsberg is their chief data officer for the country. Basically, they've asked him and his team to design a robot judge that could adjudicate small claim disputes for about 7,000 euros or so, which is about $8,000. Now, the officials in Estonia hope that this system will be able to clear the backlog for cases for judges and courts. Now, this project right now is in its early stages, but they are actually going to start doing trial runs, or that's the expectation, later this year with a pilot program of this focused specifically on contract disputes. Now, in this concept, and I've got some notes here, and I quote, "The two parties will upload documents and other relevant information, and the AI will issue a decision that can be appealed to a human judge. Many details are still yet to be worked out. Velsberg says the system might have to be adjusted after feedback from lawyers and judges." And so I think that's actually a very interesting question to ask. Now, we're talking, again, in small claims court, but a couple of different things come to mind. One, if I'm uploading all of my documentation, and let's say the person that I'm going against is doing this as well, AI obviously is going to dispassionately look at all of the facts and then make a judgment. Now, if this is brand new technology, I don't know how this is going to fix a backlog, because my anticipation would be that anybody that's on the losing side of this is immediately going to appeal to a human judge. Now, as we continue to expand this, I can't imagine AI getting to the point, at least in near future generations, where it would be able to do anything beyond simple contract disputes, primarily because AI typically can't emote like a human and it can't interpret, information. So if I was up for murder, but let's say it was self-defense, I could passionately plead my case saying it was self-defense, I was under attack, etc. And the AI is just not going to care. It's going to look at the facts, and that gut check, that human intuition of me telling the truth wouldn't necessarily be there because the AI wouldn't know. So I'm curious though, would you guys want to be judged by an artificial intelligence? Would you be fine with this? Would you accept the decision on something that's, let's say, $7,000 or $8,000 or less, and it's not in your favor, and the robot basically says you're guilty or you lose? I'd be curious to know what you think about that. I thought that was absolutely fascinating news, and that therefore is your news of the day. And please like, share, follow me here on Facebook and Twitter at NickAESP. And as always, stay safe and stay online. Thanks, guys.